Yeah, one of the advantages of being a prepper is that you sometimes get the opportunity to help yourself, but even more important is you get the opportunity to help other people. My name is Christo from All Things Prepping, and in this video I quickly want to tell you what happened yesterday and how I was able to assist somebody. Yeah, so yesterday morning we went to a local market, and after having done what we wanted to do, we returned. We were on our way back home, and instead of turning the normal right, I turned left. This probably to the to the advantage of a very old lady that got stuck. Later on in the video, I'll show you the road, what it looks like where she got stuck. But what happened is that she got stuck, and as we passed her, we realized that she got stuck. And I recently started compiling my own kit for the vehicle, and part of that kit is having a normal towing strap with me, and I managed to use that towing strap to actually assist the old lady by pulling her out. So yeah, one of the advantages of being prepared is that you can help people. Yeah, as you can see from that clip, the road is not very conducive for small vehicles. So yeah, it is possible to get stuck in different places, and fortunately, being prepared, I was able to assist. So that is one of the reasons that I feel that being prepared is a good thing, and you can actually help other people. So being prepared gives you that opportunity to help people, and it just helps you to develop your skills and to actually test your skills and your equipment in this case, to ensure that you've got the right stuff for the right job. So be a good person, be prepared, and assist and help people wherever you can. Like I said, it does not only give you the satisfaction of having helped someone, but it also gives you the ability to test yourself and your equipment. Yeah, so that's just a short video on helping someone, because of the fact that I was prepared for helping myself and then obviously others as well. So thank you for watching. Be prepared, be ready to assist yourself and to self-rescue and to rescue others, in order to make a difference in other people's lives as well, because at the end of the day, that's what we're here for, to not only help ourselves but to help other people where we can. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and keep on prepping and be ready for whatever comes your way.